Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix unstable connection, try a new location error on your WhatsApp calls. So it will be really simple and easy. For this, first of all, just open up your mobile settings here and then simply scroll down, go for this app management and simply go for this app list. You can find WhatsApp or you can search for it as well. Tap on WhatsApp. Now you have to scroll down and you will see this option here, storage and cache. Simply tap on it. You have to tap on this clear cache. Now go back and open up your Play Store. Tap on the search bar and simply search for this WhatsApp. And just make sure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp application. If there is any update, just make sure to update it to the latest version. After updating, just tap on this open, and now if you make any call, you are not going to see this error again. So that's how to fix unstable connection. Try a new location WhatsApp call error. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.